Today I'll be sharing one of the profitable markets of which you could use to make more money on BETWAY. So we'll be focusing on the league of La Liga, and we'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Barcelona and Real Madrid. So checking the team stats, we can see that on 21 April 2024, the strategy of which I'm giving to you did work, but depending on how you're betting. Because you just have to choose this team or that team to win under or over 1.5. So here you can say Real Madrid to win and over 1.5. You could re-bet. Going on August 4th, 2024, you can see that Barcelona won the match 2-1. So here you could say Barcelona to win and over 1.5. On October 26, 2024, FC Barcelona did win with 4-0. So it's still over 1.5. You pick Barcelona and over 1.5. On January 12, 2025, we can see that FC Barcelona did win again 5-2. So it's still Barcelona over 1.5. On April 26, 2025, we can see that FC Barcelona did win again 3-2. Then it's still FC Barcelona to win and over 1.5. So for more tips and strategies, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the playlist for more strategies.